Wearing a mask would help to prevent contraction of COVID-19. However, the mask must be worn properly to be effective. Use a mask of the right size for adults or children. Wash your hands before wearing the mask. When wearing a mask, the stiff edge must be on top. For a medical mask, the blue or colored side must face outward. The white side faces inward. The colored side is water resistant. The white side is absorbent, which absorbs your cough. Mask must cover your mouth, nose and chin. Press the stiff edge around your nose to leave no gaps. Do not touch eyes, nose or mouth when putting on a mask. When removing the mask, do not touch on the mask but use the straps behind the ears to remove. Keep the mask away from you and surfaces while removing it. If you wear a one-off medical mask, you should not reuse it, but discard it immediately in a covered bin. Wash hands with soap after removing the mask. Remember, wearing the mask alone cannot protect you fully from COVID-19. Maintain at least 1.5 meters from others and wash your hands frequently. For proper hand washing technique, please check out the following steps. Wash your hands with proper technique by World Health Organization. Step 1. Wet your hands with clean running water. Step 2. Apply enough soap to cover all hand surface. Step 3. Rub hands palm to palm. Step 4. Rub back of each hand with the palm of other hand with fingers interlaced. Step 5. Rub palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Step 6. Rub with backs of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Step 7. Rub each thumb clasped in opposite hand using rotational movement. Step 8. Rub tips of fingers in opposite palm in circular motion. Step 9. Rub each wrist with opposite hand. Step 10. Rinse hands with clean running water. Step 11. Use elbow or paper towel to turn off tap. Step 12. Dry thoroughly with a single-use towel. Note: perform at least 5 times for each rubbing action. Hand washing should take 30 seconds.